Are you wondering how you can remove your game from your Steam library? Well, thanks to this user Daniel Eckers on Quora, I'll be able to explain you how you can do so. Well, basically what he writes is, it depends on what you mean by remove. Do you want to hide the game from your library, or remove game files from your PC, or delete the game from your account entirely? You can hide any Steam game by right-clicking on it on your library once you access your Steam library, then tap on Manage, then select Hide this game. Games that are hidden are still technically in your library, but they are moved to a hidden folder and won't show up anywhere until unhidden. If you want to remove the files left behind after uninstalling a game, you can right-click on the game in your library, head over to Properties, Local Files, browse local files. This will take you to the game's directory from where you can just manually delete that folder and its content. You can do this after uninstalling the game. First, from right-click on Game, Manage Uninstall. Now, if you'd rather relinquish ownership of a game and permanently remove it from your library, you can do it either through your web browser or client. From the Steam client, click on your username at the top right and click on Account Details. From your account page, click View Purchase History and find the purchase with the game you want to remove. Then go to I have a problem with the product in this purchase. I want to permanently remove this game from my account. However, make sure to be sure of it that you wish to remove the ownership, as this cannot be undone later. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.